In the mid 1980s, I had no torque wrench. I'm trying to demonstrate what I did at that time. Just put a pipe on a wrench and measured 1 foot. I took a fish scale and marked the 20 pound. I covered the kilo. Now I hook it on the 1 foot mark. And pull it to 20 pound. Now I've pulled 20 foot-pound torque. Later on, I worked on a 350 Chevy engine, so I bought my first torque wrench. That was a simple torque wrench based on the deflection of that big bar, and the small bar was a needle showing the pound. The point of pull is 17.5 inches, and the scale calibrated to it. I needed 130 foot-pounds, so I just pulled it till the needle stopped at the marking. Now I pulled 130 foot-pounds on the right hand screwing in. The advantage of this system that you can tighten a left hand screw with it, pushing it this way for the 30 marking. In 1998, I started to ride a BMW high-class motorbike, same as the police bike, so I needed better tools for it. So I bought these wrenches. This wrench is good to up to 60 Newton meter, and it was made in 1998. The top of the scale is in Newton meter. The bottom one is foot-pound. You have to twist up to the tension you want to. Then it's lockable at that tension. You can't turn it anymore. It is switchable from left to right. After usage, you have to turn it back to 0, not to load the tension spring. Then I bought a larger one. Same system, but this one is good for 200 Newton meter. Foot-pound is about 75% of Newton meter. Well, we use Newton meter since the metric invasion. Very expensive tool. British made. I bought them in Europe, not knowing that I can get cheaper one here. Then I bought a small one. That's for 1/4 inch sockets. It's reversible. And it's made in 2000, not very well. You don't see it very well. It's made in 2000. Then I bought a whole garage, and this one came with it. It has an on and off, which is rather stupid because I don't open nuts with it. I don't want to know at what torque foot-pound a rusty bolt opens or breaks off, so it should have been marked left and right. Well, that's it. It's also good to 200 foot-pound. And a click indicates when you reach the required foot-pound, the required torque. The other British ones also make a click. The first one with the needle does not click. And, well, that's all what I have, and it's more than I need. And that's the whole collection. A tool freak does not need reason to buy tools. Thank you for watching.